Okay guys, it's time for some unboxing of the latest McDonald's toy, Tiny Tan. It is the BTS Scan to Jam with Tiny Tan. And so this is the box it comes in. So you can get all of these guys, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, VN, Jungkook. Okay, so let's see who we got here. All right, let's open this up. Sorry. All right, clearly, there we go. And let's see, who do we have? Dun, dun, dun. In the box, turn around. It is, oh, he is adorable. Look at this guy. It is Jungkook. Oh, he's adorable. What a cutie. So you get him in his full suit. There you go.